US30 masters. So as you can see, here we caught this buy yesterday nicely. We saw it went like 50 pips, but it came back to hit our SL. So but once we reach 50 pips, we always take our SL at break even. So for this yesterday trade, we didn't make any profits. It was a break even trade. But yeah, we did see some blues. I think I was like 3K in. So like 3K profits. Then it went to SL. But I learned something. So I learned something new why it hit SL. I won't explain it today, but let's watch what will be happening today. So again, how do we start our sessions? We start first by marking our sessions. Very clear Asian low. And do we have an Asian high? See market breaking. We saw we broke this area there. So this could have been the Asian high, but we saw market breaking that area there. So, and then we saw it coming back a bit higher there. So, oof, I see Asian low broke structure. So Asian low did break structure at this area there. So this could potentially be our first point for the trend. And this area, which is currently the high of Asian session, let's mark it the high of Asian session. So we have the high there. So we see that the high failed to break anything. Is still struggling to break. So currently we're still waiting for London session to give us a low. Currently we don't have any low. We have nothing completely. So, but if it does give us a low, maybe this is our low, which is something we should watch out for. If it is our low, market is going to go like this. And then if market fails to break this area, you know what we look for. We look for sells. That's scenario one. We look for sells only if this is our low. But scenario two, again, so it could be that this area is not our low. Market can still maybe push a little bit down and then maybe come to this area, then finally break that area there. So if it does this, so this is now currently our low. And then if that's our low, where's our entry? We're gonna wait for market to come back here and we go for buys. Why? Because we broke this area there. So we're gonna wait for that for buys. So that's scenario two. Scenario three. Scenario three, again, if that's the low, again, if this area is still the low, so let's say at 9, so 9 o'clock here, which is London open. So if market manages to fail to break at 9, market fails to break at 9, then comes back here immediately after 9, what's going to happen? It's going to give us a strong sell, a very strong one. Chances of it coming back to retest might be even too late. So immediately once it approaches the trend, make sure you go immediately for the sells. So yeah, I think I covered all the scenarios. Maybe did I explain the scenario? If it does manage to break here, so if it does manage to break here, we're gonna go for buys at this area. But please be careful because this trend line, the way it is, it's giving. I wanna go there. I wanna go there. So just make sure you are careful. Even if when you see the break, come watch it. What's happening at this area? Don't rush it. So see if you see it breaking. I'm telling you, just wait for a retest and then go for sales. And then just for you to know, this is 5 minute time frame. I'm trading USDT. Let's enjoy the market today.